Hello, Nomad Sculpt and Morphinapp. This video is about export, import, and about the parent-child relationship and when you bind it to a bone. Okay, so first Nomad Sculpt here. You see here, this is my trash can character. So the the lid of the trash can, I created here a parent object, so this is the lid itself, and then there are two children objects here for the lid, so the eyes and the handle. And this is the parent and these are the children. So, and I export this to Morphinapp. Okay, so here is the character. I made a rig for it, and the goal is to bind this bone to the lid here of the trash can. And so we have to bind single objects. So and first I show you how not to do. So here in the hierarchy or in the scene outliner, so you find here your objects here, and here is the lid parent, and here are the children. So when you start with a parent here and select this, tap on the bone, and then here you find the binding option. Here's the binding tool, or so you see here a checkbox for wait all to current bone, bind. So this checkbox, and then press bind. And now watch what happens to the other objects here. So they are gone, lost forever. So the binding works, so like this, but at the moment it's not possible to use the undo option, so it doesn't work. So we have to open it again. And back to the whole thing here. Group, lid parent, and here are the children. So start with the lowest children here in the scene outliner. So I press handle, then I tap on the bone, bind, wait all to current bone, and then I bind it. Then you see here the handle is now the last position in the outliner. So again, group, lid parent. So it's no more a child of the lid parent. So select the next one, the bone, bind, bind it. And the last one, so here you see there are no more childs of the lid parent object. And then press again bind. So when you now press on the bone, all objects are correct bone. So that's it. Have fun with animation and ciao.